Massive storm that is slamming the Philippines. It's happening right now, isn't it, Sam?
Robin, this is one of those lifetime events that I don't think we'll see in our lives again. When we look at this storm right now that we know of on the planet, it's the fourth strongest tropical cyclone to ever develop. It is the strongest ever to make landfall, ever. So you can take this, and let me just show you what this looks like. So take this eye, and let me get just a little bit closer into this so you can see it better as it moves in toward the northern islands of the Philippines. This is a monster storm. Really only dropped about 30 miles an hour in wind speed when it had its interaction with the islands here. Then it gets into more water, and the story of this storm continues. But take words like destructive and devastating, and we got to find new words.
This morning, a deadly storm. Now being called the strongest tropical cyclone to hit land in recorded history.
Oh my God.
Here's an image of this massive storm from space. Statistically more powerful and potentially more destructive than our most tragic storms. Superstorm Sandy, Hurricane Katrina. Overnight, Super Typhoon Haiyan slammed into the Philippines, forcing more than 150,000 families. That's nearly 750,000 individuals to evacuate, leaving countless stranded throughout the country's more than 7,000 small islands. Wind gusts up to 235 miles an hour, roughly the top speed of a Formula One racer, and faster than any U.S. storm. It's an astounding 300 miles wide, roughly the distance from Boston to Philadelphia, and will bring a storm surge likely to exceed 20 feet.
Now, it has all the calling cards of a storm that we know here in the U.S., but this is so much more powerful. The destruction, the damage, the water moving through, the wind, the people having to evacuate, all that happening right now and likely to continue to happen with this storm. So we'll show you its path and its track. From the Philippines, it has another opportunity to make landfall, still as a very strong storm, in Vietnam, then kind of whirl in through Laos. This thing will drop an awful lot of wind and rain. And take a look at this storm, still 100 miles an hour with the wind speeds by the time this storm is about Sunday, well inland at about 1 o'clock in the morning, George. It's a lifetime event.
So clear on that, Sam. Okay.